Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen with your favorite recipe ideas and tips. Anyway, we will be creating the best Jamaican dish and English food in this whole wide world to make your family feel welcome at home, and the family will be happy and everyone will have a lovely time because of ideas which we're going to share with you guys. So this is the place, this is your home, this is your kitchen, and this belongs to you. So we will be creating all different kind of recipe, all different kind of ideas, and I know you guys will love them. So remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also leave your comments. We will be creating the best dish, the best juice, the best healthy recipe, healthy drink, and also the drinks to make a detox your body. You name it, all the way down, guys. We will be creating all of these international drink and international food, and also English food, and also English dish also will be coming up very soon too. So guys, thank you so much and stay tuned. Leave your comments and give me a like. Thank you.